All right, so I was going to go ahead and work one of these problems, which is a profile. Move this out of the way. All right, so we're going to start with benchmark 1. It's 100 feet, so that's 100 feet above mean sea level. Right there. And remember, our backsights are plus. So we go ahead and set our instrument up. We read back on the rod and we read 106. So that means this is 1.06. And from here to mean sea level is 100. So all I have to do is add the 2 to get the height of the instrument. So my HI would be 101.06. All right, so we can't see, it's 400 feet away, so we've got to do a turn point 1. So the person on the rod walks on the other side of us, and we read 10.22. So remember, that's a foresight, so it's minus. So 101.06 minus the 10.22, which is this right here. So we're measuring down. It'll give us our elevation of turn point 1. And I get 90.84. So I'm just subtracting 101.6 minus 10.22. So that means it's 90.84 feet above mean sea level. Now we go set the instrument up again, so we kind of leapfrog. We set the instrument up, we got a back sight, and we read 602. So that's like a big tape measure. So we take our 190.84 and our 602, and that'll give us our new height up on the instrument, which would be 96.86. So elevation plus backsight gives you HI, and then HI minus your foresight, so this is 5.00, will give you the elevation, and this is turn point 2. So my turn point 2 would be 96.86 minus 5. So that should give me 91.86. So that's 91.86 above mean sea level. And then we leapfrog, we go and set the instrument up, and that is a minus because it's a foresight. And then now we're ready to pick the instrument up. We take our 91.86 plus the 5.21, and it should give us a 97. So our HI would be 97.07. So that means we're 97.07 from mean sea level. All right, so that was a plus. Now we go and we actually set something right here on benchmark 2. That's a foresight. So when you first set up, it's always a backsight, and then anything else will be a foresight. So our HI is 97.07. We subtract 0.55 from it because we're measuring down, and it gives us 96.52. So that would be the answer for benchmark 2. So I hope that kind of helps with understanding that it doesn't matter if the ground goes down, up, and it's hard for me to, down, up, all downhill. Your first one's always going to be a backsight, so you'll add it, and you come off a known elevation. Then when you give a term point, the first time with your HI, you're going to subtract that foresight. Then you can pick the instrument up and move forward. All right. Hope that helped.